Hello, dear customer. This is Ivan from QRQ Company. Today, I would like to share with you how we can make the invisible long chain zipper. As we know, there are totally two types. The one is the fabric tape, another one is the lace tape. And today, I would like to share with you how we can make the fabric tape. Now, let's see how we can make the fabric tape. As you can see, this is the whole production processes. There are totally 13 processes. So now let me explain each you one by one. The first one is center cord making, which used for inside of the zipper teeth. We need to make it first, and after we making the center cord, we need to rolling the center cord to make some preparation for the next steps. And after center cord rolling, we need to yarn robbing. We use this machine to go through the yarn through this machine and transport the yarn to the tape for tape making. So you see on the first step is to making the zipper tape. We use the needle loom, and after the yarn transported to the needle loom machine, and we can making the zipper tape. So that means from the first 4 steps, then we can acquire the zipper tape. And after we making the zipper tape, we need to make the zipper teeth, and we will use the coil forming machine to make the zipper teeth. And inside this machine, we will use the monofilament to making the zipper teeth. And also in this machine, we will combine the teeth and the center cord together. And after we making the zipper teeth, we need to use the sewing machine to sewing the zipper tape and teeth together. We need to combine them. And from the 7th step, we need to the ironing. So the 7th step is ironing. We need to make it more flat and more smooth. And after ironing, if you want to make some color samples, and if you want to make some small quantity samples, you can use this small dyeing machine to do some testing. So this machine is not necessary. So it depends on your own needs. And after this, and if you want to make some big quantity color goods, you will use the big dyeing machine. But before the dyeing, you need to use this winding machine to widen the zipper into the bobbin, and then we put the bobbin inside the dyeing machine, and then we can do the dyeing process. So after dyeing, we need to ironing the zipper to make it flat and smooth. And also you can see we have different type for you to choose from, the chamber type and also the rolling barrel type. And after the ironing, we need to winding because we need to pack down. Sometimes if you want to 200 meters per roll or the 400 meters per roll, you can use this winding machine to achieve it. So, and also the last step is uncooling, because sometimes after you making the long chain zipper, if you want to make it into a finished zipper, you need to uncooling them to making the finished zipper. It is very convenient. So that is all processes of how we can make the invisible long chain zipper. As you can see, this is the raw materials we need for making this kind of zipper. The first one is the yarn for making the center cord, for making the zipper tape, and also we need to use the monofilament to make the zipper teeth, and also the sewing thread using for the stitching processes, and also the long chain zipper used for dyeing, used for winding, and used for ironing. So this is the raw materials we need. And after, beside this raw material, we also have machines video, the working situation video of all the machines. So from the center cord and the zipper tape and the yarn robbing and the tape making, from the first to the end. So all of them we have video. And beside this video, we also have the leaflet. For example, this is the coil forming machine, and in the leaflet you can see the basic information of our machine and also our advantages, so you can compare our machine with other suppliers. So this is the brief introduction of how we can make the fabric tape invisible long chain zipper. So my friend, if you really want to set up your invisible long chain zipper making workshop, and if you want to know more details and get some useful suggestions, please feel free to contact us. We are always here. Thank you.